Hey guys, I want to welcome to my guest. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a special guest, my sister Charity, and I've been wanting to do a video with her for a while. Here we are going to be switching our makeup back. So I'm going to do my makeup using Charity's makeup, and she's going to do her makeup using my makeup. Yeah, that came out right. Okay.
I love how you have like this whole like shelf of makeup, and I'm just like, here I have my mystery box of.
I mean, but first look at Charity's box versus my
Oh, is that all I'm using? I thought you told me to bring all of my makeup, so I brought all of it.
So what we're gonna do, as far as like applying our foundation, concealer, and things like that, I'm gonna apply it the way that Charity normally would apply it on her face, and vice versa.
Using each other's products?
Yeah.
Okay. I know what's going on.
Clean and sanitize all my brushes last night, so we are working with clean brushes.
Use my brushes. I did not clean them.
That's okay. We have her baby right next to us, and our other sister is holding her while we do this video. Yeah. So we both have a NYX product. Here you go. How do you usually apply yours? Oh wow,
like,
that's a lot of primer.
Yeah, you want it. Okay, all over your face.
Yeah, that's how much primer.
And then you're going to
those pores, and then I just kind of disperse it to the rest of my face.
One of my pores are bigger in different areas. But I'll do your way. Into the T-zone we go. Press it, and then I disperse it?
Yeah, and then you just rub the rest, whatever you have left over.
Interesting. Very odd. I mean, not odd, but different. Your face just feels like a velvet face.
I feel really greasy right now. I just never put this much primer on. I think I greased myself up enough.
Kelsey.
Hey, Missy. Say hi. I just kissed her ear.
Alright, take it away.
You talk. I was looking at the ingredients here.
What?
Your dimethicone is higher up in your list.
What does that mean?
It means that they put that in first. Not first.
Anyway.
What is dimethicone?
Yeah,
That's
what's that?
right?
Yeah, dimethicone.
That's
I don't
what
know.
I
I
was
just
asking.
I don't know. Huh. Interesting. Your dimethicone is higher up on this list.
Oh, I do foundation. Is that what you do? Or you do concealer?
I do concealer first.
Okay, so I do foundation first. The Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I kind of go back and forth because it has a doe foot applicator on it. Sometimes I'll go straight in my face, and sometimes I'll go in the back of my hand and then use the brush. Let's just go in the back of our hand today.
I've never used a brush to apply foundation.
Okay, well, we're going to use a brush today.
Interesting.
What do you do with this?
So that you're going to put in your T-zone.
Okay.
All the way down your nose.
Okay.
I use this also as a contour because I have a very large nose.
So it's a lighter color than...
Yes.
I love my art.
It's beautiful.
Okay, Alex, can you grab a sponge right there? Go to the bathroom and squish it in the water until it gets twice its size, basically, and then bring it to me.
Special occasion. Is this a special occasion?
I guess so.
Yeah,
It's Memorial Day.
It's Memorial Day.
Brush and apply it to your face, and then you're
Okay.
gonna go with your sponge.
How?
Just
I should have put that on the other hand.
and then just start applying it to your. Do you need your sponge wet?
What?
Can you take Charity's sponge and do the exact same
Can I
thing?
get a clean sponge? This one's like 50 years old.
Yeah.
Don't let them know I use a 50-year-old sponge.
Really put this much concealer on my face. You're gonna go. I mean, you can rub it in a little bit, but then you are gonna just go in your sponge and just kind of even it out a little bit.
Do you put your foundation like right underneath your eye?
No.
Okay, then I won't. This really told me how much I need to pluck my eyebrows.
I'm gonna have you do concealer now, and you're gonna use two different concealers. A little bit of both and mix them together, and then you're gonna go in with a brush.
Foundation. Okay, foundation is what I use next, okay. And I use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Dewy Smooth. This one always mocks me when I'm doing my makeup.
Why?
Because I'm always like, And then I look over at him, he's like,
Husband is her husband, by the way.
yes.
It's her child.
Pretty much.
I'm noticing with this foundation, and I don't know if it's my sponge, because my sponge,
Your sponge.
if I apply any more, then it's just gonna look really cakey on me. But we've evened out the skin tone, and that's the most important part.
Sorry, I had an eye boogie.
All I saw was this. The Maybelline. This is the I don't think we can get through this video. I really like it.
And I have ELF.
What to do with this is here. Okay. Wow, you really hit pan on this.
I use things up. Okay.
I use things up. Okay.
Before I buy new stuff.
This first is you're gonna take this brush and you're just going to pat,
Like this much on there?
then tap it off.
Okay.
You can go back in with more.
Whoosh, whoosh.
You don't have to go like, you don't have to go like straight in. You can even do the sides and just pat like this too. You don't have to go straight in and like jab yourself. Pat those out if there's any creasing, and then go just right underneath the lash line where those creases are.
You're right.
No, I'm fine.
I told you at the beginning, I feel sorry for you.
No, I think it's not you. It's because I did a pore strip the other day, and so now my skin's peeling from it.
Got you.
Okay, bronze or contour, do both. That's not good. Okay, so you're gonna use the Hoola bronzer from Benefit.
Brush do I use?
Actually, I just bought this brush today. This is a Morphe M523 brush. So you're the first person who gets to use it. Tell me.
And this is what I use brow powder
That's not a bad thing.
to
Lots of people
use
brow
that.
powder.
Oh,
For your contouring?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do lots of people use it for contour?
I mean, I've never heard of it, but you can use makeup however you want. Shape, and then you want to swirl your brush.
Swirl it.
What do? You just go back and forth?
Yeah.
I have one cheekbone that's not as prominent, and it's harder to find than the other.
I need this cheekbone to slice bread. Got to be sharp. Got to be sharp.
So if you're having trouble blending your contour, what do you do? That's a foreign question to me. What are those words you're saying? It's just more difficult to.
This one?
Yeah.
The, what is it called? Rimmel London? Rimmel London. Oh. Maxi blush.
What color is it?
Sweet cheeks. Oh. It's way prettier.
I like to kind of bring it up a little bit. Okay.
I do usually take it in just a little bit more because I like to look sunburned.
Okay. Oh, I do.
She didn't even listen. I don't think she even got it at first.
I do like to take some of my blush on my nose, as well as a little bit on my chin.
I do too.
Okay.
I also do my neck.
You can do
Because
that.
I have a
too.
pale neck. Do you get a lot on here?
It's very pigmented.
It is? Oh, I guess it is. I was like barely touching it. I'm like, where's the color?
You have clearer skin than I do, so it's gonna look better on you anyway.
I do?
She has. Yeah, look at your skin. She has graham crackers. Yeah.
And the color Daybreak Glimmer.
So I'm gonna have you use the Jaclyn Hill Moonlight Powder. A little bit.
Ooh! Here you go. You know what to do with it.
A Hill brush. It's beaming, but it's more subtle, I would say. Turns having
It's beaming, but not too beaming. Oh, good Jaclyn Hill.
Maybe apply some to your cheeks too, just to kind of give it a little bit of luminosity, a little glow. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow. Actually your eyebrows are kind of dark.
Yeah, I have dark eyebrows.
So this, I use this when I want like a quick eyebrow day and not like, I don't want to go with the pencil. But if I were going to use a pencil, I would use the Maybelline Ultra Thin Pencil. But we're not going to do that today. We want easy.
Underneath?
I don't have great eyebrows.
Do you want me to do it for you?
No, I don't do it. I'm going with the spoolie. I feel like I need to go in with a spoolie.
What the heck is that language? It's a spoolie.
That's a spoolie.
Oh, I mean, you can't, yeah, sometimes I do.
Almond oil helps with growing out eyebrows. I just haven't been using it. I've been a bad girl. But I don't even really care anymore. My eyebrows are eyebrows. No one's eyebrows are perfect.
This is true. Well,
make sure you get your sweet spot.
right there. Right there is the sweet spot.
Oh, the sweet spot's not there. It's right here.
Oh.
As kids, I always like, let me kiss your sweet spot. And so I'd kiss her right here on the cheeks. I do still do that,
Yeah.
but it was a lot more when we were kids. Okay, I think we're back in business. My camera died, so we had to, well, it didn't die. It ran out of storage.
How's your Memorial Day been?
Pretty good. Got some cookies from Crumbles.
Ooh, I saw those on the counter. I did a double take. I was like, Say, my sister makes fun of me for using multiple palettes when I do my makeup.
It's just, I've seen other people do it too. I just personally,
She like sticks to one palette, which like is
which
fine.
Not true. My last video, I used 2 different palettes.
I usually use 3, maybe more.
Palettes. So far, I use it a lot. 25. I'm turning 26 this year.
You're old.
That's weird. And then you're 23.
Yep.
Wow,
I'm turning 24.
thanks.
Yeah, and then there's Alex,
just
who
called me
everyone
old.
thinks that she's younger than both of us.
She just
Yeah.
called me because you guys are makeup artists.
Charity.
You guys have fun.
I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a plebeian.
I feel like you
Huh?
do better at.
So what?
What did you say?
So I'm just a plebeian. Ooh, it looks like a lemonade. I like it. Lightly
Like
tap.
Conquest, which is the shade that Charity likes to use.
Yes. It's like a rose gold metallic.
My lower lash line, but lately I've just kind of wanting to be a little
Minimalist.
minimalist. Yeah,
Minimalistic.
2 makeup products with you. What would they be? And you don't have to say specific products, but just like eyeliner or mascara or something like that.
Under eye concealer and mascara.
That's nice for you because I don't think you did this step, but this is setting spray.
Did I apply liberally or one that I just...
So it's a fine mist. So just whatever you think is best, whatever feels good to you.
I was slightly open one.
Okay, and then what I do is kind of dry it off a little bit, and then
Push on this side.
with my sponge and I just gently. You don't want to press too hard where it picks up product. How do you think?
It looks really good. How do you like yours? Nice.
What was your favorite product that you used?
Either the highlight or the eyeshadow palette.
Thanks. Well, it doesn't look bad. It looks fine. I just like. Okay, so you know what? Another thing, I don't know why. Why I don't like the foundation is I don't put that much primer on my face.
I think you have a smaller face than I do too.
Added more than I usually do. Okay, look at the camera. Thanks everybody so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I think it was really fun for us to dig around in the other person's makeup bag to see what the other person uses on a daily basis. Thanks so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified. The notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Here. Wow. You're slapping yourself with a chicken.
Yeah, don't you do that?
No, never. I beat my chicken.